In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor Pro Nav Menu Widget. First, we'll build the menu in WordPress so Elementor can use it. Sign into your WordPress dashboard and head to the left sidebar. Hover over Appearance, then click Menus. In the menu structure area, give your new menu a clear name so you can recognize it later. Under Menu Settings, you can enable Auto Add Pages if you want new top-level pages to appear automatically in this menu. Choose where the menu should display by selecting a location such as header or footer. You can select more than one location or leave it unset if you plan to place the menu only with Elementor. Click Create Menu and wait for the page to refresh. Now the Add Menu Items panel on the left becomes active. You'll see groups like Pages, Posts, Custom Links, Categories, and, if applicable, WooCommerce endpoints. Click a section to expand it. Check the items you want to include or use Select All, then click Add to Menu. After WordPress reloads, those items will appear in the menu structure on the right. Open the small arrow on any menu item to edit its navigation label. Assign a parent item to create a dropdown, change its order, or remove it. Reordering controls how your links appear from left to right or top to bottom. When you're happy with the structure, click Save Menu and give it a moment to confirm. Next, open the page where you want the menu to appear in the Elementor editor. From the left panel, search for and drag in the WordPress menu or Nav Menu Widget. With the widget selected, you'll see its settings in the left panel. Under the Content tab, choose your newly created menu from the drop-down. Pick a layout that suits your design, horizontal for standard headers, vertical for sidebars, or drop down when you want a compact, expandable menu. Scroll through the remaining content settings to fine-tune alignment, pointer effects, and other behavior. Switch to the Style tab to control the look and feel. Expand Main Menu to adjust typography, colors, spacing, and hover states. Open drop-down to style the sub-menu background, borders, and link spacing so your drop-downs are easy to read. Use toggle button styling for the mobile menu icon to make it clear and accessible. Then move to the Advanced tab for deeper control. Here you can set margins and padding, add motion effects, apply transforms and backgrounds, define borders or masks, control responsive visibility, set attributes, and, if available, add custom CSS. Expand each section as needed. When everything looks right, click Update or Publish in the top right corner to make your menu live. That's it. Your Elementor Pro navigation menu is ready to use.